Today we are going to learn about the mechanism of HCl secretion into the stomach lumen. So basically हमारा जो stomach wall है, there are different layers present in the stomach wall. One is the serosa, the other is the muscularis. We have submucosa and also the mucosa. जितने भी gastric glands हैं, it is confined to this mucosal layer of the stomach wall. और इसी ग्लैंड में देयर इज़ वन पर्टिकुलर सेल विच इज़ नोन एज द पेराइटल सेल एंड दिस सेल इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सीक्रेशन ऑफ HCl इनटू द स्टमक ल्यूमन. नाउ लेट्स सी कि ये पेराइटल सेल किससे सराउंडेड है. सो बेसिकली द पेराइटल सेल इज सराउंडेड बाय द स्टमक ल्यूमन ऑन वन साइड एंड द ब्लड कैपिलरी ऑन द अदर, and this space between the blood capillary and the parietal cell is known as the interstitial space. अब अगर हमें स्टमक ल्यूमन में HCl चाहिए, सो वी नीड टू काइंड्स ऑफ आयन. वन इज़ द H प्लस एंड द अदर इज़ द Cl माइनस. अब हमें देखना है कि ये दो आयन्स यहाँ आते कैसे हैं. सो लेट्स सी. सो हमारा स्टोरी शुरू होता है फ्रॉम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. The carbon dioxide which is present in the blood capillary diffuses into the parietal cell. Inside the parietal cell, this carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid with the help of an enzyme which is known as carbonic anhydrase. Now, this carbonic acid dissociates into the H plus ion and the bicarbonate ion. Now, the H plus ion which is formed is transported into the stomach lumen in exchange of potassium ion with the help of a proton pump which is also known as the H plus potassium ATPase. This proton pump uses a lot of energy in order to transport the hydrogen ions against the concentration gradient. Now talking about the chloride ions, the chloride ion is transported from the blood capillary into the parietal cell through another antiporter which is known as the chloride bicarbonate antiporter. Now, after coming inside the parietal cell, the chloride ion goes into the stomach lumen through the chloride channels. After coming into the stomach lumen, this HCl and chloride combines to form the HCl. This H plus and chloride combines to form the HCl. Now, in order to remember this, we have a mnemonic which is known as the BATS. B stands for bicarbonate, A stands for ATPase, T stands for transport, and S stands for secretion. So, bicarbonate, B stands for bicarbonate. We are talking about this formation of the bicarbonate ion. A stands for ATPase. It is the transport of hydrogen ion into the stomach lumen through the hydrogen potassium ATPase or the proton pump. T stands for transport, which is the transport of chloride ions into the stomach lumen through these chloride channels. And S stands for secretion, which is the final step, that is the secretion of HCl. So it is as simple as that. Thank you.